Hi guys, welcome back to another video diary here in Tallinn, Estonia. So for today's video, it's currently Sunday and it's July 7. So basically from Helsinki, Finland, I took a cruise, 2 hours cruise from Helsinki to Tallinn. It cost me around 40 euros and sobrang laki nung cruise na yon. May mga shops and may casinos and may mga restaurants, even Burger King sa loob nun for 2 hours. But anyway, yesterday nag-arrive ako and this is the morning. So kahapon is nag-laundry lang ako. So laundry ako for 10 euros. So pwedeng hindi naman kayo masyadong maraming dalhin. Basta laba lang kayo na laba every week or every 3 days kung ano man yung dala niyong damit. And anyway, after that, pahinga lang din talaga ako. So I slept around for 9 hours. Kasi I think this trip would be, ito yung day trip ko para mas makita yung mga views dito sa Tallinn, Estonia. But anyway, the weather here today is not that so good. It's overcast. However, hindi naman umuulan, fortunately. Anyway, I'll be showing you the top tourist spots here in Tallinn, Estonia. And samahan nyo ako. Mostly, maglalakad lang ako. Pero kapag kailangan ko ng bus, you just need your credit card. And pwede na kayo mag-tap-tap lang sa bus. So, keep watching guys. Thank you. Guys, nasa likod ko ngayon yung St. Olaf Church. Tinayo siya noong 1400. So imagine niyo, ganun siya katanda, 1400s or 14th century. And then, known siya for its 124 meters na tower. So yung tower na to ay survive na niya yung mga different kinds of mga kidlat. No? So ayan. Ayan siya guys. Sobrang taas ng tower niya. Pero dun sa harap niya, it's a simple Baptist church. Simple lang yung facade niya. So anyway, try nating puntahan sa loob. So hi guys, yung pinupuntahan pala dito sa St. Olaf Church is yung kanyang tower, pero hindi pa kasi bukas. Yung fee niya ata ay 5 euros, pero since nga hindi pa siya bukas, hindi pa ako makakapunta. Meron daw tong view ng buong Old Town. But anyway, try na muna natin sa ibang tourist location. So, yun lang. I'm here at the oldest cafe here in Tallinn, Estonia, and naisipan ko lang since malapit lang to dun sa pinuntahan kong church. And then ito na yon. It's cost around 790. I think medyo mahal. Tapos yung service not so good, hindi ganun kabilis. Hindi ko siya recommended, to be honest with you, although yung vibe niya sobrang ganda. But I think it's just for the title in oldest cafe, not so much. But anyway, titikman ko muna to. So I have here like their traditional, we have eggs, we have their bacons as well as some salads. So yeah, let's check it. So bon appetit guys.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Just watch me break in. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear.
Hi guys, nasa likod ko nga pala yung Alexander Nevsky Cathedral. So this cathedral was built in commemoration ng Russian versus Turkey war. And actually kasi ang Estonia dating bansa ng Russia. So ayan. Sobrang ganda niya guys. Tingnan niyo, i-zoom ko. I-zoom ko siya. And look at the details. Actually, yung structure niya, kaiba. It's an Orthodox church. So, baka kaya ganyan yung structure niya. So, yun.
You would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. Just take a hint, you got a free pass. Oh, try to hide it, but you had me from the get-go. Let me be frank, I'm not that complicated. If you need me, what's the use of playing games? Though there's no denying what we want. Just watch me break it. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. 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 I wanna make you sweat on me.
Hi guys! So, nandito ako ngayon sa may Cadrioro Park. Actually, it's like 10 minutes away from the city by a train nung sa Old Town na pinuntahan ko. And para mag-iisang oras na ako dito kasi nag-enjoy ako dito. Ang lawak ng park na to. And pwede ka talagang magpahinga. Pwede kang umupo sa mga benches nila and then ma-enjoy mo lang yung mga places, ganyan. Tapos, actually galing na ako dun sa kabilang dulo pa. And sobrang ganda talaga. Kung gusto nyo magpahinga lang, pwede dito guys. And then mag-nature tripping na lang din kayo. As well as may mga fountain sila, ang daming flowers. So, recommended to kapag pupunta kayo ng Estonia kasi talagang marerelax kayo. So, maganda siya. Hi guys, so that's it for my video here in Tallinn, Estonia. So it's just a quick trip, 3 days, 2 nights lang ako nandito and parang yung kahapon lang yung aking full trip. It was fun although it was raining in the morning. But anyway, sobrang ganda sa mata ng mga buildings dito. It's really a medieval country. Most of the buildings are, even the old town is a UNESCO heritage. So it was pleasing to the eyes, no? And the food is cheap. It's just that I really need to recover from my 25,000 plus average of steps each day. And ito yung naging place para mag-recover ako. But anyway, mas sobrang rich ng country na to. In terms of culture, parang Poland siya, Krakow siya for me. It was nice. And I think that's it. I mean, if you like this video, kindly click the like, subscribe, as well as mag-comment na rin kayo if ano pa yung mga susunod kong country pupuntahan. So, next to my... so, I'll be going to my next country. That would be Latvia. So, I'll be taking a bus from Tallinn to Riga, Latvia. A capital city as well. So, yun lang guys. See you soon on my next country. Ciao!
There'll be girls across the nation that